Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be redoing my bot tutorial. So first what you have to I'm just gonna dive straight into it. First we have to do is create a new. You can go to the site. It's called discord.com/developers/applications. You might have to sign in and yeah, so we can look. I already made my application. The way you can make yours is just click on this and then name it, click create. After that you have to click on tutorial your application. It doesn't have to be named tutorial goose or anything. So then what you have to do is you have to click on this bot tab right here, and then we will create the bot in your application. So then you could click add bot. It says adding a bot users gives your app visible life in Discord. However, this action is irrevocable. Choose wisely. Then you could click yes, because you do want to create your bot, obviously. Yeah, and then that you can just ignore this part for now. And then you can go to another place. It's called Node.js. You might, if you have not downloaded this thing yet right here, um, you should download it, or nothing in this video would work. Also, I recommend you download Visual Studio Code. It's a code editor. It's a really good. It has some plugins, has a lot of cool stuff in there. Alright, so now we can if you want, we can actually start our bot. So we first have to open, if you go over here, you can type cmd in your command prompt. Should open up. Then you you can go, and then you could make a file. See, what I like to do is that I click on local disk right here, my main file, then just ignore all this stuff, click users, then my user shows all of this random stuff, okay? And then you can create a file, you can create a new folder called code. I put all my projects in here, so yeah. And this is the file that I would be using, but if you want to create a file in your users directory, you have to click new folder, then you have to create, then you can name it anything, you can name it anything you want, but I do code. I don't need this, so I'm just gonna delete it. So after that, when you create your folder, there will be nothing in it, but we're going to be using this thing and using this to put folders in this. So now if it's right now it's in the users, it's trying to do some stuff in users, but we want it to go into, oh wait, never mind, it's in our users, sorry about that. We want it to go in this folder and then this folder. So the way we're gonna do that is that we can do cd code, then this should change. So that means now if you look at this, then it'll say Arif code. Now it's in this code file, right? But we want it to go in this file right here. So we can say cd, then the name of your bot file, and boom. Now it's in this folder. Now it's in this folder. I've been saying file and it says supposed to be folder. Sorry about that. Okay, now we can actually like start doing some commands here. So we can do it npm init. See, so it wants you to create a package JSON file. You can just press enter, enter. You can put a description if you want. You can. I'm gonna change this to bot.js. Test command, nothing. Just ignore this part for now. Keywords, nothing. Nah. Just, I mean, you can type anything you want in here, but I'm not gonna do it. See, now it will create a JSON thing right here. I'll show it to you. And if it's okay, then you can, if the information's all correct, then you could say yes. Also, don't worry about this part right here. It won't break your bot or anything. See, but now there's a folder in here called package.json. So, if you have downloaded this thing, if just, I forgot to say, if you haven't downloaded this thing, then the commands I've run would not work. Also, this, we're going to be using in a second. So, now what you want to do is just you want to be able to open this file, right? So you can if it doesn't show like open here, then you can click open with, then Visual Studio Code. Now it shows your package JSON file, but I'm just, and if it says this, then you can just click manage, then trust, because you're the owner. Obviously you have to trust yourself. So now we can close this out of this, but what I like to do is that I like to open folder, and then I can go to code if I can find it. I can't find it. Code. Oh my god. Yeah, see right here. Then I could click on tutorial goose, which is my bot file. And if it says this again, then yes, you have to trust them. You have to trust. Okay, now you can click on this thing right here, and it should show your package JSON file again. You can also then create files and folders. Keep on mixing that up. Okay, now that you finally, actually, you finally, now we can install Discord.js. We can do npm install discord.js in this terminal window. If it doesn't show that right now, you can click on this thing right here, and then you can install Discord JS on your project. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, so so you have to do npm I discord.js. I forgot the I, because that I means install. So now just ignore all these warnings. It's completely okay. Now it should make this node modules folder and package lock.json. We won't be really using these in our right now. So so if we go into our package JSON, um the main, if you go over here, your main is bot.js. Whatever your main might be, it has to end with JS. If it does not, you can change it here. Then you can click on tutorial. You can go to tutorial goose and click on this button right here. This button will create a new file. This will create a folder in your file, whatever. Yeah, but you want your file to be named bot.js, because that's your main file of your bot. So if we can name bot.js, we can actually start coding now, finally. Now we can, so first we need to tell the code what Discord is, because it doesn't automatically know what Discord is. So now we can do const discord equals require discord.js. But we have to define the client too. So const client is equal to new discord dot client. Then you have to put this over here. If you're new to coding and do not know this, you can go to the when you do the parentheses, Visual Studio Code autofills them for you, which is a feature I like about this. So okay, now that that's done, you can do Control S to save your file, or you can just click on this and then save. So now we can create another new file. We can name this config.json. Then you have to put these brackets right here. It'll put the second bracket to press enter. Then it should look like this. See? Then you can do double quotes. Type in the token. This is really important. And you should not share this token with anyone. I know I will be sharing this, but if you do accidentally share your token with anyone, you can click regenerate here. So you can click copy here to get your token into your clipboard. This will make your code connect to your bot. See now, as we go, we might be adding more stuff in here. Like for example, it can be if we do ever use MongoDB in this tutorial, we have to put commas. So we can just put our Mongo path here, which we probably won't be using, because this is a simple bot tutorial, not that advanced at all. See, just keep it at this for now. Now this is done. Now we also after we create the folder, we also have to make config here. Then we have to require. No, you can't just do Discord. You can't just do that. So what we have to do is do // then it'll search folders in this thing. Then you can click config.json. Then if you do control click, then it'll go here, so it knows you know that it worked. Okay, now we can do some stuff to we can console log that our bot is ready. That's if you can just clear your stuff by saying CLS. So what will happen when you run a command that makes your bot online, then it will show your bot is ready in this place. So we have to code that. So this client dot on, and when the bot is ready, and these are all the events that you can use. Ready, and then you can put this. We would be probably be using something in here at some point, but not now. Then you can put you can also okay, my brain just had a fart, sorry. You can put brackets here, and when you click enter, then it'll change, like it'll put a automatic space here. Then when the client is on and it's ready, then you can console log that the bot is ready. You can put anything in here if you want. You can put bot is ready. It doesn't really matter. You can even put this and it won't matter, but you should just put something along the lines of bot is ready. Um, then we want our bot to connect to our code, so we can go all the way down. This client, this line should be always at the bottom of your code. This file right here. See client.login. And then we put parentheses stuff right here. Then we can put single quotes or double quotes. I don't think it matters. And then we can. Oh wait, never mind. I'm so stupid. I forgot. We can we can actually use this, and then when we use this, it will be grabbing the token from this file, then putting it in this file. Okay. So now we can do config dot token. See, and then when you control, if you do control click on one of these two things, then it can go back to here. So now it knows that your token is in this folder file. Okay. We can also do some other basic stuff with these. So we can do client.on. We can, when the message happens, then we can do a message. We can also, yeah, you have to put message here as well. Then you have to do the same thing as we did on the top. All right. Now, it will console log the message content. This is just a test, and you really shouldn't be keeping this in here because there's really no reason to, unless you're, I don't know what you would be doing with this, but uh, so now we basically almost have all of the code um here for like a basic code. Now we want our bot online. This is just my test server that I use for all my projects. And if we go to click on this button right here, we can click the bot tab on OAuth 2. You also can click this because we are going to be this is for slash commands. We'll be covering slash commands later, so we can go back here. You can give your bot any permissions you want. I'm just going to give it administrator, which gives it all the permissions. You can copy this. Now, if we go to a new tab, we can paste this. And then, if you are familiar with adding bots to your server, then you will recognize this. So, I'm in a lot of servers. Uh, so, you can find your server in this list. Just test server. Click continue. Then, confirm you want administrator. Then you can do the captcha right here. Oh god, of course I have to do it. Okay. I hate this. I'm too lazy to do any of this, so I'm not. That's not a motor bus. Yeah, that worked. I hate these captchas though, even though they're really easy. They're sometimes annoying. See, but our bot is offline. We don't want that. We want our bot to be online. So, now we can do no. To make our bot online, you can run this command in your command prompt or your terminal right here. So I'm just going to use a terminal. Do node dot. Now it will run this code that says bot is ready. We can go back into our Discord. You can see our bot is online. But we also want to test out this code right here too. So we can say hello world. I spelled that wrong, but if we go in here, then it says exactly the message. I can also say test E, then it'll show all of this. So yeah, that's the end of our first episode. I hope this was better than the last episode that we had. Um, so yeah, when you're done, if you don't forget to save each file, and if you do need help, my Discord server will be linked in the description. And you can ask me help in any channel. Actually, ask me help in general, the general channel. Um, since I have a Roblox channel, you have to verify using Roblox, but if you're not a Roblox person, so you can just ping me in here and then I'll verify you myself. Uh, or you can ping one of the managers like this guy or this guy. You can ping those two people as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you later.